Clapperboard. Welcome back, future strategists. After tackling risk management last week, today, we shift gears to what's next in AI affiliate marketing. Staying ahead isn't just about keeping up, it's about leading the way. Magnifying glass. Quick thought. Imagine a quantum-enhanced AI system that analyzes more data in 3 minutes than traditional systems do in a month. That's not science fiction, it's the future we're preparing for. Rocket. Major trend category. Keycap 1. Technological evolution. 1. Globe quantum computing, supercharged data processing. 2. Robot advanced AI, smarter, more adaptive decision making. 3. Brain-brain computer interfaces, hands-free digital interaction. 4. Shopping bags. Augmented reality commerce, virtual try before you buy. 5. Cityscape metaverse marketing, digital storefronts and virtual brand presence. 6. Link decentralized networks, blockchain-based affiliate transactions. 7. Car autonomous systems, AI-driven campaign management. 8. Trophy biometric integration, personalized experiences based on user data. Keycap 2. Market transformation. 1. Bullseye. Hyper-personalization, AI-crafted experiences tailored to individuals. 2. Lock. Privacy first marketing, users demanding more data control. 3. Speaking head. Voice commerce dominance, Alexa, buy my favorite product. 4. Shopping cart. Social commerce evolution, more sales through social platforms. 5. Globe virtual world marketing, shopping inside virtual spaces. 6. Chains. Blockchain transactions, secure and transparent payments. 7. Hourglass. Real-time optimization, campaigns adjusting dynamically. 8. Brain predictive engagement, AI knowing what and when to market. Keycap 3. Consumer behavior shifts. 1. Shield. Privacy awareness, users are more cautious. 2. Handshake. Trust requirements, transparency builds loyalty. 3. Glowing star experience expectations, frictionless, engaging interactions. 4. Anti-clockwise arrows. Channel preferences, mobile, voice, metaverse, adaptability is key. 5. Money bag value perceptions, users expect more for their data. 6. Bar graph engagement patterns, AI tracking micro moments in behavior. 7. Convenience store purchase behaviors, data-driven decision making. 8. Repeat button loyalty dynamics, retention strategies evolving. Test tube. Emerging technologies. Purple circle. 1. Quantum enhanced AI. 1. Rocket complex pattern recognition. 2. High voltage ultra fast optimization. 3. Stopwatch real-time processing. 4. Closed lock security enhancement. Bullseye impact, more precise affiliate targeting, fraud detection, and AI-driven predictions. Orange circle. 2. Neural interfaces. 1. Brain thought commerce, buy with a thought. 2. Red heart emotional marketing, AI detecting user emotions for hyper-relevant ads. Bullseye impact, the ultimate personalized experience, brands reading minds, ethically. Blue circle. 3. Advanced reality systems. 1. Globe immersive VR shopping. 2. Selfie AR enhanced product demonstration. Bullseye impact, consumers seeing and experiencing products before buying. Upward trend market evolution. Anti-clockwise arrows commerce transformation. 1. Globe platforms merging, e.g., Amazon plus TikTok shopping. 2. Anti-clockwise arrows seamless customer experiences. 3. Lightbulb, AI-driven trust and innovation. Bar graph data dynamics. 1. Shield privacy first approach. 2. $sign value exchange for user data. 3. Upward trend growth through AI-powered insights. Gem value creation. 1. Bullseye hyper-personalized experiences. 2. Trophy competitive advantage through AI-driven strategies. Building construction adaptation strategies. Keycap 1. Technical preparation. 1. Wrench infrastructure readiness. 2. Crossed arrow system flexibility. 3. Lock security upgrade. Keycap 2. Organizational readiness. 1. Trophy AI skill building. 2. Anti-clockwise arrows business process adaptation. Keycap 3. Market positioning. 1. Light bulb innovation-driven strategies. 2. Key trust and transparency focused pushpin implementation framework. Round pushpin phase 1. Assessment checkmark. Analyze current systems checkmark. Identify gaps checkmark. Plan future ready strategies. Round pushpin phase 2. Preparation rocket upgrade systems. Hammer and wrench. Train teams. Brain build AI powered workflows. Round pushpin phase 3. Execution PC. Implement AI driven automation. Bar graph. Monitor real time performance. Money bag. Optimize for growth and ROI. Bar graph. Success metrics. Rocket innovation metrics. 1. AI adoption rate. 2. Automation efficiency. 3. Market differentiation. Upward trend performance metrics. 1. Bar graph customer engagement. 2. $ revenue growth. 3. Anti-clockwise arrows conversion rates. Crystal ball future readiness. 1. High voltage scalability. 2. Crossed arrows adaptability to new trends. 3. Rocket AI integration success. Bullseye practical exercise for next week. Keycap 1. Assess your organization's future readiness. Keycap 2. Identify gaps and adaptation needs. Keycap 3. Develop a step-by-step action plan. Keycap 4. Define success metrics for AI-powered growth. Next track button. Looking ahead. Lecture 13. Final integration and future-proofing. Via next week. We wrap it all up. 1. System integration for AI-powered affiliate marketing. 2. Process and campaign optimization. 3. Ensuring long-term success. Reflection questions. Light bulb. Ask yourself. Keycap 1. How future ready are your systems? Keycap 2. What must change to stay competitive? Keycap 3. Where are your biggest AI-driven innovation opportunities? Keycap 4. How will you measure success? Movie camera. Closing thoughts. The future belongs to those who prepare today. Quantum computing and immersive experiences are shaping the next era of affiliate marketing. Rocket Bell. Don't miss next week's grand finale. Prepare your future readiness assessment and bring your best questions. This version enhances engagement with storytelling, emojis, dynamic formatting, and calls to action, making it more accessible, visually structured, and entertaining for video lectures.